All right, well, here we are on the layout with the Rivarossi HO scale u25c. We had to rebuild the shell mounts inside, which we used styrene leftover plastic from some old bridge model, and we used those sprues, cut them down, drilled them, glued them in place. We also had two broken wheels, which we fixed with plastic from some cheap plastic wheels from a kit. Actually, it wasn't a bad kit. It was probably expensive now. It was a big boy in plastic, but didn't have any motors or anything like that. And we fixed those wheels. So, and we I think we got them on center. So let's test it out. Nice. Let's see. I doubt it's going to make it all the way around because I didn't really clean the wheels. But it'll be surprising. Wow, for a model I picked up for like $10.50. Just had some broken wheels. Now that's usually a big, big problem. But I was able to overcome it. Hope there's nothing on the tracks up there. Use a little rail zip liquid on the wheels, like a cheap clean, Oh, sometimes you pay for that. Hey, it made it all the way around without a full cleaning. All right. Well, it's got some cosmetic damage, but we'll fix that up. Missing some railings in the front, and couplers are busted a bit. But you know what? It's a great model, and she works. So I'll take it. And fixing the broken wheels makes me think of an old model I had, a Casey Jones, that as a kid, I couldn't fix the wheel. Now I have this new old technology. I'll try to fix that. Hey, thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.